Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a 3D pipe using the sweep command. And in order to do that, to use the sweep command, I'm going to need two sketches, two independent sketches. I'll start with a 3D sketch and then a normal sketch. So click on the sketch tab, select 3D sketch. I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to pick a line. I'm going to draw a line vertically up about 10 units. I'm going to switch planes by pressing the tab key. I'm going to draw a line about 10 units back. I'm going to draw a line across. I need to press the tab key again. And next I'm going to draw a line up again. And I'm going to draw a line back. Again, I need to press the tab key to reorient my axes, my planes. About 10 units that way. Next is I'm going to define all the elements using the smart dimensions. I'll make each segment 10 units long. Next I'm going to put a fillet on each one of these vertices. With the fillet command, I'll specify a radius of 1.5 inches. Select each vertex. Hit OK. I'm done with the 3D sketch, so I'll close this sketch. Next I'm going to need to draw a sketch that's perpendicular to the path that I just drew. So I draw a sketch. I'll pick the top plane, pick the circle. I'll draw a circle. I'll dimension the circle to about 1.5 inches. Hit OK. Now basically I'll exit this sketch. Now basically I have all the elements to draw the 3D pipe. Now if I go into features, I select the sweep command. It asks me to pick the contour that I'm going to sweep, which is the circle, the path, which is the path I drew. I'm going to select the thin feature, specify a thickness of 1/8 of an inch. And there it is, 3D pipe. Thanks for watching.